Hey everyone, Scott here, and before this video begins, I just want to say that, yes, I know I sounded very complaining in this video, sounded like a total you-know-what, but it was wrong of me to do that because the Park Plaza Victoria Hotel in Amsterdam is really nice. It's not perfect, but it was just the situation that I was in that day. It was a long day, I was traveling, it was at the very end of the day, past 10 p.m., I was frustrated. And it sounds like in the video that I'm incredibly disappointed with this hotel, and I am not. I just want to say that right up front. It's a good hotel. I want to stay there again. However, as you're about to see, room choice is everything at this hotel. So let's just get into it. Hey everyone, Scott here, and welcome to the Park Plaza Victoria Amsterdam. Now, I'm not a happy guy at the moment, even though this may look nice. This is not the room I reserved. I saw the room I reserved. It was an upper floor room with a view of the canal, but there was a problem with the light switch and I couldn't stay in it, so they put me in this room instead here on the second floor without a view at all. There's no view. Let's just get that over with because that is the source of my frustration at this very moment. This is my view. I had a pretty sweet view of the canal 10 minutes ago, and all the city lights and all the boats and all the water, and now I have this. I recommend the room with the view of the canal. Let's just say that. It's really, really nice. The room itself is, actually it was smaller than this, but the view was spectacular, and it just, oh, what could have been. But that's travel. These things happen. So you just got to roll with it, I guess. You know, I'm only going to be here for one night. So no biggie. That's the way things go. So let's just start over here. Let's do a tour of what looks like a suite, like a mini suite. There's a couch here, already converted into a bed, which I don't need, but an espresso machine. That's what that looks like. I don't see, yeah, an espresso, coffee. There is a minibar, not a refrigerator. Well, technically it's a refrigerator, but it's a minibar. They want you to spend money. Maybe it's in here. No, just closet space, nothing there. 3 bathrobes though, that's kind of nice. And then there's a TV in here. You got the desk, a simple chair. And you know what? I'm just in that kind of a mood right now. I did not even put my stuff away. Threw it down right here. It's 10 p.m. at night. I should have been here 2 hours ago. Flight got delayed. And then I had the problem with the other room. I'm over it. I'm done. So let's just back up here. This is the bedroom, the bed. That's a huge bed, by the way. That's bigger than a king, I think. It's pretty sweet. Got some I don't know what to call those. Chairs that look at the bed. I don't know. Chairs. And then there's the other TV with dresser drawers in the bottom. You got the mirror over there. I thought that was a hallway to another room, but it's not. Just a mirror. And then the bathroom is in here. It's a pretty nice bathroom, actually. Got a huge tub here with all the soaps and lotions, and man, that's a long tub as well. I mean, you can really stretch out on that bad boy. And then a smaller area with the sink, the mirror, and a shower. And typical of Europe, there is only a half door on the shower, which as an American, I don't like that because all the hot air escapes. So you're taking a shower and all the cold air is going in, and it's kind of a miserable, I'm complaining. I'm just in one of those moods. Oh, whatever. But all in all, I mean, if you just take away the problems that I've had today, this is a pretty nice room. It's not that bad. I don't like the view that much, but it's big. It's way more than I need for just me, a solo traveler. But I like it. I don't think if I was going to stay here for more than a night or one night, I'd flip up that couch or that bed and turn that into a couch. And yeah, big air vent there. All right, anyway, the hotel in general is really nice, by the way. It's perfectly located, right across the street from the Centraal Station, Amsterdam Centraal. And there's the canal right there. It's perfect. The guy at the reception desk told me that this hotel has been here since the 1830s or 1800s. So it's been a while. One of the oldest hotels in Amsterdam. Anyway, it's just one night, whatever. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. And if you come here, get a room with a view of the canal.